Gorilla Glue, how good is it? We're about to find out. You can see that we've glued this maul head back onto the handle, and we're about to try and see whether or not the maul head is going to stay attached to this handle when we drive the maul with some large spruce to split it for firewood. We do this every year for making maple syrup. So here we go. All right guys, so we have the Gorilla Glue. You can see we've glued it onto this maul head because it broke off the handle when my friend, let's call him Jose, offered to help me and split some firewood. He swung the maul twice, hit the handle on the wedge, and snapped it off. We've decided we're going to try Gorilla Glue just to see how good it is. Is it as strong as they say or not? We're going to find out. All right, let's drive in the steel wedge. All right, so far the handle is held up. That's some decent impact on it. Nothing super strong, but decent impact. Just gonna move. This is the new maul that Jose bought me. So thank you, Jose, for replacing it with the broken one. You're a good guy. Now, let's see, is this repaired handle and maul head going to be able to be pounded into this spruce to split firewood? Here we go. All right, the handle still seems to be intact. I don't see it splitting at all. Take a look. This is some pretty heavy pounding and impact onto this maul head. We're gonna keep going and see whether or not it holds on and stays intact. I think we gotta get our wedge out of there though. On the softer wood, the wedge sticks in there pretty deep. It's hard to get it to actually split. Let's try it in a different spot. So I'm just gonna move this so it doesn't fall off the stump. You can see this wood grenade is splitting this stump pretty well. There we go. Now let's just rotate this a little bit. See if we can break off a piece. With our maul. All right, let's take a look at the maul head on this. Take a look, folks. Looks like it's still intact. That's some pretty heavy hammering we've done. I don't know how long it'll last. Seems to be intact. I would say for 50 cents worth of Gorilla Glue, that's a pretty nice repair, isn't it? Oh, good workout too. Let's see if I can finish off this stump. Another piece broken off. Love the wood grenade, okay? Almost. Better up here. Bottom stump's more stable. Almost got it. This one's a little knotted up. Whew. That's what I like about the wood grenade. You tap it in, it stays in place. You don't have to keep holding it, hammering it. So once it sets, just a matter of driving it straight down. There you go. She will split some big pieces of firewood chunks. Take a look one more time. Again, at our handle, our Gorilla Glue. Did it work? It's still holding together. Well, now it looks like it's separating now. Here you go. After all that hammering, you can see it's starting to separate now finally. So, I wanted to say it was great. Guess what? After hammering for another 10-15 minutes, there's the crack. See it? See that crack? Here's the crack right here. This thing opened up. She's not going to make it. So we're going to have to toss this Maul out or just save it as a splitting wedge. But yeah, it cracked in. So I'd like to say, Gorilla Glue, you are indestructible. But I'm afraid the answer is no, you're not. It didn't quite work as well as we had hoped. So maybe for lighter duty stuff it'll be okay, but for this super high impact, lots of energy kind of usage, Gorilla Glue in the handle just won't quite hold up. Hey, thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more outdoor product videos and things of nature and the outdoors. Thanks for watching.